So if you're looking for a way to upload your WordPress website to your Hostinger account, this video is for you. So guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to upload your WordPress website to your Hostinger account, or your website to your Hostinger account. So let's get into it. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your Hostinger account. So once you get there, you simply click on what website. So after which you simply need to choose the website in which you want to upload your site on it. So I'll take this first one on your array. So let me show you guys. So as you can see, it is showing 24043 forbidden. So yet there's no website on it. That's the reason why it's showing like this. So I'll go back here. I'll click on what dashboard. So guys, once I'm here, I'll simply click on what file manager. Okay, after that you can see public HTML. So you click on it. So guys, this is where you simply need to upload your WordPress site. So I'm going to choose on what upload, this arrow up here. So you simply need, if the website is on a file type or on a folder type, you simply need to choose. So I compress it on a folder type, so I'm going to choose here folder. So scroll down, this is it here. I'll click on it, click on what open. So guys, simply need to wait for this website to be uploaded. So this might take a couple of seconds or minutes depending on the size of the file. So we simply need to extract it here. So we click on what extract. You simply create a folder for it. Let me just say on your array. So after which I'll click on what extract. Okay, this is it here. You simply click on it. So guys, we simply need to remove all this folder here and upload it here. So click here, you highlight, after which you double tap, click on what remove. So your home, after that you click on what move, come back here. So as you can see, we just successfully removed the various files. So you can delete this one, delete. So after that, we simply need to go and refresh our WordPress website to see if it's back. So guys, as you can see, that is it. We just successfully uploaded our WordPress website to Hostinger account. So guys, that's actually the way you upload your WordPress website to your Hostinger account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.